Yo! Hello. What's up? Let's get a little more light. Alright. What's going on? Happy Thursday. Hey, Eisen, what's up? I got my bubble tea. Haven't even opened Unity. I'm kidding, I have. I was working on some stuff this morning, and then I had to step out for a couple hours. But I'm back. I'm ready to work. 35 stream streak? That's kind of insane. Thanks for always being here, Em. I appreciate it. Been cooking something? Nice. What are you cooking? Cooking some game dev? Cooking some games? Yeah, I'm doing good. I think I've figured out the mechanic set for World 2. Like, I needed to refine it, even though I prototyped some stuff before. But I think I've settled on like what needs to be done. So that's progress. And then, you know, just a couple other planning things. So it's been good. I'm gonna actually continue laying down some of these maps and maybe some NPC portions and like a chest. Just kind of mapping out World 2. Nice. Some custom stuff. Nice. Good stuff, good stuff. Oathr, hey. What's going on? How you doing? I guess we will... Yeah, alright. I think I'm pretty happy with, yeah, the mechanic set. So, most of the stuff from World 1 is not even in World 2. Other than, like, cracks. So I think that's a good thing, because even though I had to test it a million times, I was kind of done with, you know, the spikes and the chompers and the vine cutting. I think that's enough of that. Let's continue on and learn some new stuff. So in World 2, this is kind of a spoiler. What are you drinking? My bubble tea. It's an odd one though. I don't know if it's for everyone. This one specifically, this one's not bad. It's the honey lemon like tea with basil seeds. I don't know if you guys like basil seeds. It's kind of like chia seeds. And aloe vera, like little cubes of aloe vera. I love it. And it's like, it's not milk based, so I like it once in a while. Scaffolds, what's up? And cheese? No, no cheese, no cheese. Did I say cheese? I don't think I did. How has it been since you released the demo? Pretty good. There was some downtime and I had to work on a couple marketing things, but seriously, some of the marketing stuff is kind of torturous. I'd rather be designing some puzzles or the rest of the game. So I'll have to go back and forth between that. I haven't finished my pitch deck yet, or sent it to anybody, really. But it's been nice. The demo's got a bunch of plays. The itch page has helped a tiny bit. I thought it would do a little bit better. And then, what else was I gonna say? There's been like nice playthroughs on YouTube. I found a couple. And people actually play the entire demo, so that makes me happy. About an hour of gameplay. And today I saw somebody did like 15 cozy games I'm really looking forward to. So Sophia's Path was in that. Yay! It's good news, right? It wasn't even someone I had to reach out to or anything. So I would like to see more of that. We'll see. Okay. Rabbiteer, what's up? On Insta, on YouTube. So yeah. I'm trying to reach out to some people on Insta that have like a bigger following, see if they can cover it. But I think they're leaning towards, you know, rather than a demo, give me the launched project. Which makes sense. That's probably what I would do if I was a cozy gamer recommending things. I'd rather have the full version to recommend. So I can understand. Anyways, what are you guys up to? I'm gonna keep putting down these paths. I'm aiming for, I think, 12 to 15 levels in this world, and I need to rethink some things because I changed the story a little bit. So I'm just gonna figure out notepad, just figure out a couple things here. There's a lot of mechanics in this world, to be honest, but most of it has been prototyped, so I'm kind of, I want to say, sort of confident that it'll be okay. I don't know why I always get double ads at the start of your streams. Do you have pre-rolls on and ads? Oh, guys, I have to take an important call, but I will be right back. I will double check that ads thing. I don't want to torture people. back. Just some shenanigans. Okay. I think... What did I miss? Oh, what? Everybody shows up when I'm gone. Makes sense. Scuffles. I think you said you were gonna play it, so thank you. Just downloaded it. I'll try it soon. Thank you. Yeah, I would allocate like 45 minutes if you want to sit in. I mean, you want to finish it in one sitting. 45 to an hour. I think that's the average it's been actually, which was not what I was planning. It's a lot longer than I was planning, which is kind of a good thing, I think. I got ads right at the start. Okay, I'll check that out. Thanks for letting me know. Double check that there's nothing weird going on. Oathr King! Hey! Thank you for the sub. Thank you, thank you. Eisen, gift sub to M. Thank you. Appreciate it. I hope my chair thanked you guys. Accidental user, welcome. Hello. Yes, yes. Viera, hey. Alvi Doodle, what's up? She's back. Hide. Hey, come back. Show yourself. Alright. Maybe I'll go in and fix a couple small things. Look, I put Reddit posts. Scary. I have to post the Reddit still. Okay, so we can do this one. Music at 70, and then we can block off the cracks. I think I can do that. Your tax collector is not working? What? I don't know. It doesn't want to connect to Twitch for some reason. Come on, refresh. It's so weird. Let's do a log out. Log in. Yes. Start music at 70. Wonder who suggested that? One of y'all. So we can do that. That's a good little first task to start up with, although it's done in Fmod, so I gotta figure out how we gonna do that. Unless... Actually, it might not be directly in Fmod. Let's see. Because we want to change it on the settings panel. Beth! Hey! How you doing? Been busy? It's good to be busy. Good. I'm doing good over here. We did our little demo launch. Been doing some marketing tasks, and now working on post-demo stuff. Gotta chug along. Hoping it won't... Hoping now that we have the demo done, the rest of the game won't be as hard. It's still gonna be a little bit tricky, because there's a lot of variety in every world, but yeah, doing all right. New job has me going to bed early most nights. Yeah, just exhausted. When are you going to Mexico to fight the cartel? Yeah, I was supposed to go to Mexico next week. So, got lucky that I didn't have to witness the crazy stuff. settings. Okay. Let's check this out. Supposed to. Yeah. Because they eliminated the cartel leader. So it's been a bit of a, you know, a lot of violence broke out there. So we canceled our trip. Oh, this is gonna... Ryder always makes my computer work hard. So we're going to the Bahamas. Yeah. Change the trip. I haven't myself yet. Haven't had any time this weekend free though. Good. Yeah, take it easy. Come to Italy, we have pasta. Seriously. Next time I go to Europe, it's gonna be Italy again. I need it. I need my pasta. I want to go to Rome. I've done Milan and Venice already. I want to go to Rome. Or any recommendations, Octardus? You tell me, and I will be there. Okay, volume. Change volume slider. Let's see. I think I'll just do it on start, right? Volume slider, not null. Settings volume. Uh-oh. What happened to the music? No. What's going on? It's kind of ridiculous. Sorry for issues, guys. Back? It didn't even tell me I crashed, though. How did your internet get bad again? I don't know. We had a good stretch. We had a good go. I think it's time for me to retire now. Okay, I don't know where to change it because we don't want to change it every time because it probably grabs it from the save file the last time you set the volume. Arshad, hey. Your favorite Bollywood actor or actress? Sorry for issues. Initialize. Come on. Do. Volume, player prefs. Set to 1. I guess we do it over here. Possibly. Let's go see if that works. Wait, get float. I guess. That seems kind of right. You should get a 5G modem. Yeah. Had a decent stretch of a couple months without issues, right? Just got bad again, even though I'm plugged in. I'll figure it out though. Hopefully by the time I come back. I'll figure that out. No! I need you to... Oh, okay. Wait, this is a UI thing. I forget how you set a slider. Unity slider. Oh, I mean, if I just look at it, it's probably here. Value. Slider value. Change. Volume. Slider value. That's weird. Settings about volume. I would have thought it would change the slider. Chitori! Hey! Do you think AI will become so mature that every human becomes jobless in the future? I mean, isn't that a good thing if we're jobless? We can all just chillax, have a good time. I'm kidding. I think what needs to happen, you know, I'm not the president or anything, but as AI takes over, we need to open up other kinds of jobs that are important. So, who knows if that will happen. I tried to nap and was defeated by Discord notification sounds and dog barks. You gotta put that on mute. Both things. Earplugs for the dogs. Scuffles hydrate. I'm hydrating with my bubble tea. You're saying I should mute my dog. Exactly. What the heck, man? If I set it to 0.7, it should have changed the slider to 0.7. That's what I would have expected. Unless it's pulling something else. It's kind of dumb. I prefer the chill thing instead of opening up new jobs. Yeah. AI can't make pasta. Exactly. Is this why you took Axel away from us? No comment. Bayesian Elf, hey! What's up? But not doing initialize every time? Initialize... Volume... Okay. Well, I guess that has to happen somewhere else. AI can make spaghetti code though. Just quitting work for the day, so thought I'd pass it in. Thanks for dropping by. I feel like this does it if it opens it for the first time, which kind of makes sense. Let's do this. Okay. There you go. So if you clear the player prefs, it makes sense. I think that's fine for now. We'll put it on 0.7 and we'll double check that value later. That's what you guys meant by 0.7, right? Setting the music to 0.7? Not like... I think that makes sense. Like having the slider here. I guess I've just never seen that, but it makes sense because then they can make it louder if they want, or make it more quiet rather than capping them off. So I assume that's what y'all meant by that. So mark that off the task list for now. And let's see if we can do this. I want bubble tea. I'm not sponsored, so you should not be influenced by my decisions here. No options? What? Well, yeah, I do Uber Eats my bubble tea most of the time, but today I went out, so I got it on the way back. Your favorite main course food dish? I mean, I love my pasta, and I love my sushi. What else? I like a lot of things, to be honest, like tacos. Yum. Poke bowls. Yum. Anything that tastes good. Only be influenced when you're paid. Exactly. Dumplings. Yes. I think I have some dumpling wrappers in the fridge, so I might make that. I want sushi and tacos now. So your parents' place just doesn't have anything good? Is that what you mean? Prav, what's up? Hola. Alright, let's do this cracks thing, and then we'll set up some maps. I should have a goal for today's stream because I feel like I kind of slacked this week. So let's chop. And let's first... I didn't change anything on the main menu itself, right? Coding with strangers, hey! Thanks for the raid. Welcome. How you doing? How was your stream? The Yagik. Did I say that right? Yagish. Welcome. I should push the work I did today. Yes, you should. So I'm gonna push the settings script. Yeah, let's do that. Default music volume. So cool. Yeah, I like that change. Doesn't hurt. Bug fix. I have a couple sorting layer issues that I'll fix later. But let's do the cracks thing for now. How goes it? Pretty good, pretty good. We're chipping away at our post demo work. So it's been fun. Yag works on this game too. Nice. You guys are a little duo or what? Aizen, I don't know if the commands are there. I don't think they are. Because I use a different bot for some of my commands. Sorry. Eileen Rude. Hey, just out of curiosity, I've looked at UI database with music keyword, and a lot of UIs are showing up with sliders not on top, and some even have pre-made defaults like music 0.5, everything else 0.75. Good to know. Maybe I just haven't seen it like that before. But it does make sense to me. Because people have different preferences. Not a duo, they are strangers. Good one. There are? The commands, you mean? Oh, maybe there are. Vanish? I don't remember making that one. There's lurk mode. Okay. Cracks, level 4. So let's see where this happens. Fly trap. Oh yeah. So I think we're just gonna get rid of that. I guess there's no states on this one. Zero, 1, 2. Let's try that. Okay, cool. A fellow puzzle dev, not many of us out here. I know, right? Like, I'm seriously trying to find more people who do it, just so I can tap into the brain, see how you guys go about making levels. What's the game that you guys are working on? Feel free to plug it. For Sophia's Path, we released a demo last week. It's probably been almost 2 weeks now. If you guys would like to check out the demo, that would be wonderful. For the record, I have no idea. Oh, I see. Cool. That's funny. Yeah, if you guys want to plug whatever you guys are working on or just talk about it, I'd be happy to know. Sophia's Path is like a turn-based puzzle game, so it's been fun. The demo's about an hour long, so really got a lot of content out of the first set of mechanics, which I'm happy with. And then now just working on some cleanups. And World 2 for Chapter 2. Manisha, when does the game come out? I'm definitely hoping that it's this year, but I know Laura's kind of busy for a bit. So I'm just trying to have everything like pre-planned. And then Axel's trying to get all the stuff done early too, so that we just have to pretty much wait for Laura to work on some stuff. So that's how we're rolling for now. Party games count as puzzle games, right? The real puzzle is doing the game dev. Figuring out what your game is. That's the puzzle. I'm working on a Portal-like puzzle game. Nice. If it's okay, I can post a Blue Sky post with a short video of it. Yeah, go for it. Please do. Always like to see what you guys are working on. Words of wisdom? I guess so. So I planned out the 3 relics that we're gonna have in World 3, so those are set. pretty decently happy with those. There's like a little bit of foreshadowing, a little bit of, what would you call it? Cozy tragedy. Yeah, I don't know, I just want like each thing I add to be related to the story. That's about it. Okay, let's check out this blue sky post. What? Hey. This looks cool. I mean, Portal was pretty iconic, so great reference to have, right? That's cool. Are you building it in Unity? Oh, Godot. Nice. Pretty sweet. Looks really good to me so far. Yeah, if you ever want to talk puzzle design and whatnot, send me a message on Discord. I just like to see how people go about it because it is quite different, right? Cool stuff. Fate Studios game. Hello. Thanks for the follow. And Yagich, thank you as well for the follow. Hey. What did I do? So does this probably? Oh god, puzzle design is my weakness. No idea why I decided to make a puzzle game, but here I am. It's like fun, but it's also such a pain. That's why I wasn't sure if like, is this the pain that every game dev kind of goes through, or am I just like, did I just choose hard mode? I think it's the pain that everybody goes through no matter the genre. But I did like my first iteration of mechanics, but then Oathr, who's in the chat, kind of shared a little website that I kind of read through, and Nima. Sorry. And then I started using the spreadsheet, which actually helped me brainstorm a little bit more about like intertwined like gameplay mechanics, which is pretty important for puzzle games. So that helped a lot, just to let me think about certain things. And then I was in the Baba Is You dev's stream one time, and I got a little bit of advice from that. He was pretty much saying the same thing, like kind of reverse engineering solutions and such. But it is quite the hard task, because there's still the balancing aspect, but there's also like, how do you stack these mechanics up so that they're not just individual things that you have to do? It's like, do this before you can do this, or make sure this is in the right position before it you interact with this other thing. So yeah, I'm sure I've watched a couple videos about puzzle design, but nothing really sticks to me in terms of how to implement it. But it's cool. Fate Studio, hola! Hey, I don't speak Spanish, sorry. But thank you for the follow, and thank you for being here. Oh, fixing bugs? Yeah, a couple bugs, and then we're working on World 2, which is Medusa's world of the game. So kind of like a cave stone setting. So World 2, figuring out some mechanics. Six-string surgeon, hey. Do you know Jonathan Blow? He talks a lot about puzzle game design. I should watch more of his stuff. Does he have a YouTube channel? I think he does. He's the guy who made Braid, right? Which I played a bit of. Yeah, I would love to hear how they go about it. I can attest I am also in pain. Yeah, I think it's just the game. It's just part of the game dev process. The roller coaster. I'm making a detective game, so solving a mystery is kind of a puzzle. Yeah. Like my next game, Foxglove, is probably gonna be... It is puzzle, but it has like some other gameplay aspects to it too. But for sure, investigation, detective, definitely a puzzle game. In fact, a lot of genres kind of have puzzle in it, like adventure games, or I did an escape room. I was playing an escape room game yesterday and today. So like that's pretty much puzzle as well. Just think outside the box, right? It's so hard to know how difficult things are because I'm designing it all, so I know everything. Yeah, exactly. So playtest it. Playtest the heck out of it. That's what I learned a lot. I really had to change up a lot of the later levels because of playtesting. And thankfully, it seems like most people can get through the entire demo with a good amount of challenge and without rage quitting, which is perfect. But the next version of the demo will have a hint system for, you know, maybe the younger people or the people who just got frustrated. So I think for a puzzle game, you do need a hint system or else people will get frustrated. Like even the escape room game that I was playing, they had a couple hints depending on where you're even stuck. So that's a lot of hints already. Mudbound, hey, what's up? Oh, and The Witness, that's right. I never played The Witness. I know I should. He finished his new game right now. He has YouTube, but also tons of interviews and so on. I will check it out. He's also very opinionated. Okay. That's good though. That's good. That means, you know, he's probably confident on what he's doing, which is good. I'm still figuring it out. I'm hoping by like game 3, I'll be a puzzle master. He's like the Linus of game dev. S Destroyer, what's up? I don't know what you're talking about. Rabbiteer, I almost rage quit on level 11 or 12, I'm pretty sure. I wouldn't go that far. I don't find him particularly likable, personally. I mean, that's probably what happens to opinionated people. I think I've seen some of his stuff, and I was just like... It didn't intrigue me, so maybe that was why. But I'll give it a try again. I want to know these opinions. Opinionated enough to do his own programming language. Oh yeah, that's right. Interesting. I think it's because I try to get all the achievements. Oh, you did? Well, that's a good thing. Yeah, in some of the later levels, getting the chest and finishing the path is like kind of trickier, which is what I wanted. And then for the golden feathers, you have to think outside the box. And then for points of interest, they're usually a little bit easier, but it's kind of like a hidden object type thing. So I wanted each achievement to be kind of different in terms of how you play the game. But yeah, I'm trying to I back? Am I back? Sorry guys, my internet's a little bit wonky lately. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. I apologize in advance for internet issues. OBS, why? So weird. Yo. Why? I feel like I should just not stream to YouTube. It's probably making things worse. I'm gonna stop it on YouTube. Sorry for people on YouTube. Come to Twitch. I feel like it makes it worse. I think I'm back. Unstable. Unstable on Twitch and unstable mentally. Just kidding. I think I'm gonna stop streaming on YouTube. Because that probably makes it worse, right?